Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Sometimes businesses want to vary an item's price when selling the item to different customer types. For instance, you may charge different rates for residential customers versus commercial customers. You can associate price levels with specific customers so that each time you create a sales form for that customer, QuickBooks will use the appropriate price level when calculating rates and amounts for the line items listed within their sales forms. You can also associate price levels with specific line items within a sales form if desired. Using this method, you are only discounting specific items in a sales form, not all items for a specific customer or type of customer. Price levels make it easy to use different rates for line items within sales forms without having to calculate percentage amounts manually. Price levels can affect amounts for service, inventory, and non-inventory part items only. Also note that price levels are, however, only a feature of QuickBooks Pro or QuickBooks Premier. In QuickBooks Pro, you can only set price level discounts as a flat percentage. If you use a QuickBooks Premier version, however, you can set price levels for various quantities of individual items if preferred. In this lesson, we will examine how to create basic price levels in QuickBooks Pro. To access and create price levels, first open the Price Level list. You can do this by selecting Lists from the menu bar, and then choosing the Price Level List command in order to open the Price Level List window. To create a new price level, click the Price Level button in the lower left corner of the Price Level List window, and then select the New command from the pop-up menu. This will then open the New Price Level window, where you enter the information about the new price level. Start by entering a name for the new price level into the Price Level Name text box. Then use the drop-down that appears to the right of the This Price Level Will text to select either Decrease or Increase. Next, enter the percentage by which you wish to increase or decrease the item prices into the text box to the right of the Item Prices By text. You can then use the Round Up to Nearest drop-down to select how you wish to round the pricing that is calculated. Once you have set the price level, just click the OK button to add it into the price level list. As with your other lists, you can select an entry that you have made within this list, and then click the Price Level button to edit or delete your entries if needed in the future. Once you have created your price levels, you can then either assign them to specific customers in order to apply a selected price level to all future sales to this customer by default, or you can apply a selected price level to specific line items in your sales forms manually as the need arises. You can apply a default price level to any customer when using the Edit Customer or New Customer windows. In either of these windows, you can select the Payment Settings tab, and then use the Price Level drop-down to select a default price level to associate with this customer's sales. Then click the OK button to set the price level for the customer. Now when you create a sales form for the selected customer and select line items within the line item area of the sales form, you'll be able to see the customer's price level is calculated and applied by default. Also notice that after you have created price levels, at that point you can then use the Rate drop-down that appears in your sales form to select a price level on a per line item basis if needed. This allows you to manually set a pricing level for selected items within a sales form if preferred.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.